Hey y'all, welcome to Freedom Makers. I'm Amanda, and guess what is behind me? I walked out my back door and I had my camera in my hand. I was on my way to go weed my peppers. Oh my goodness, it hit me in the face. That beautiful, wonderful, amazing smell of summer. Can you smell it? Nope. We don't have a smell-o-vision, but I wish we did, because then you would know that I am talking about honeysuckle. I love honeysuckle. It is everywhere. All up in here, throughout this entire bush, all the way around, going down this way, tons of beautiful, lovely honeysuckle. As soon as I am finished dehydrating all of my oregano, I'm going to move on to the honeysuckle. I love honeysuckle tea. I use it medicinally, as well as to cool us off in the summertime. If you would like to learn more about how I use honeysuckle, I am going to list a link in the card so you can see what I was doing with it last year. I did dehydrate some, but not on the scale I'm planning to do this year. This year I want a ton of this dehydrated and put in my pantry. I want to be able to use it a lot more than last year, because I ran out really early. We will also be enjoying this in season in a tea. So you just wash these and you stick it in a jar with water. You throw it in the sun, or you can boil it, like if you want it quicker, and you make tea. And it is the most refreshing, cooling tea on the planet. Honeysuckle tea, one of my absolute favorites. And it grows for free here at Freedom Makers. If you have honeysuckle on your property and you are not making tea, you are really missing out. I highly encourage you to try some honeysuckle tea. See if your kids like it. Throw away the Kool-Aid, mamas. Honeysuckle tea, that's where it's at. It's amazing, it's refreshing, it's nourishing, it's cooling, and we love it. Thank you guys so much for stopping by. I'll catch you in the next video.